Hello, brother. This is Gary from China. Today we are shipping one USB cable production line to Pakistan. The production line will be installed in the capital of Pakistan. Okay. This production line including 4 sorting machine. The sorting machine for micro USB-A Type-C and the iPhone. Okay, and also. We prepared the 4 injection machine for our customers. Except the machines, we also customized some new design of the cable mode for our customers. Except this, also the raw material, we provided the connectors, all the connectors for customer connectors. Some other machine like the vending machine, stripping machine, and cashier and hop jeweler for the customers. All we prepared. A full production line will be installed in Pakistan. Due to we have office in Pakistan, so our office will give the full support to our customers to give the free training and the service. Okay, brother. 2022 is coming. Thanks for your support for the 2021. Okay, best wishes to you for 2022. Okay, Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye bye.